Alright, so we are still on page 440. I'm going to help you set up your guided practice. Please use your examples to solve your guided practice and your homework for this section. So, n plus 6 equals 8. To find n, we need to get it alone. And since this is an addition problem, we are going to subtract to get it alone. And you will always subtract the number that has the variable on that side. Same with addition, you will always go and use the number that is with the variable. So minus 6, you get n alone. Let's do it for number 2. 7 equals y plus 2. Again, this is a plus problem, so we are going to subtract 2, because that's on the same side as the y. Subtract 2. Y equals, let's do number 3. Negative 7 equals c minus 6. This is a subtraction problem, so you must do the opposite to get rid of it. Minus 6, so you're going to plus 6 to both sides. You're going to cross them out. Negative 7 plus 6 equals c. Let us try number 4. Orville and Wilbur Wright made the first airplane flights in 1903. Wilbur's flight was 364 feet. This was 120 feet longer than Orville's flight. Write an equation to represent the flights. You can use a bar diagram if needed. Then solve to find the length of Orville's flight. Now, we know Wilbur has 364 feet, and his was 120 feet longer than Orville. So let's figure this out. If we are trying to find Orville's flight, we're going to put him, let's use the letter D. Orville's flight is D. If Orville's flight was D amount of length, we know that if we add 120, it would equal 364 because it was Orville's flight plus 120 feet longer equals Wilbur's flight. You could also write it like 364 minus 120 would equal D. Both of these are correct. Now, using our skills from up here, use whichever problem you prefer to solve for D. D equals, and if you would do this one, it'd be 120 minus 120 to both sides. Or if you do this one, just do simple subtraction equals D. Please solve on your own before moving on to the next page.